Did you know that saying Alhamdulillah after sneezing has a beautiful reason behind it? In Islam, when you sneeze, it's believed that your body expels harmful things. That's why we thank Allah by saying Alhamdulillah. All praise is due to Allah. It's also Sunnah for others to reply with Yarhamukallah, which means, may Allah have mercy on you. This simple exchange builds love and unity. Next time you sneeze, remember to say Alhamdulillah. And if someone does, don't forget to respond. Share this and spread the Sunnah. Follow for more amazing Islamic facts.